Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I'm going to take you through some razor blade disposal banks just so you can see what's out there. I've got a few choices here. If you're not familiar with these are tin boxes that will accept your spent or used razor blades, and most of them have removable bottoms so that once they're filled up, you can just pop off the bottom like so. See, there's some blades in there. There were some blades in there. You can pop off the bottom, dump out your blades, take them to the recycling center, whatever you do with them, dispose of them safely, pop the bottom cap back on, and you're good to go for another year, 2 years, whatever it takes to fill that box up again. Let's put these back in here. All you do is drop them right into the slot like so. I don't want to leave those laying in the sink. Just pop them back in again. So that's the Parker tin box blade disposal bank, and here is one made by Rockwell, nearly exactly the same, very, very similar. It's got the logo on both sides, as does the Parker, has the logo on both sides as well. This is the Feather blade disposal bank. It's made of plastic, has the logo on one side, nothing on the other side, blank on the bottom. You can also disassemble this. It's a little bit tricky. You need to pry open these little tabs right here. So this is really child-proof for sure. No way any child is going to get into this thing. I have a video on how to disassemble this. I'll put a link there. You can check it out. I'm not going to do it right now, but you can check out that video. And the cream of the crop, in my opinion, we just got these in stock. This razor blade bank makes a statement in your bathroom for sure. If you have a nice bathroom, this would be on your sink top. A welcome addition, a very handsome addition to anybody's shave den. This is porcelain, really nice. Sturdy, hefty, very heavy, shiny, gleaming. It's got the Mueller logo on the front. It's got a nice slot on top. Very well made. They really went the extra mile on this. It's got some instructions on the bottom, warning, razor blades, that sort of thing. And this is a rubber grip. None of these have rubber grips. They can slide around on your sink top, but this rubber grip will not slide around. You put it down, it's going to stay there. And you can just pop your blades in here. All these blade banks will accept a half blade, a whole blade, double-edged blade, even the Feather Artist Club Shavette blades. It'll accept those as well. And this one, I wasn't even sure if it opened up. So I got my fingernails underneath here, and you have to really get in there and pry it apart. It does open up like that. And this is a very sturdy plastic. Just lock it right back in. You can dump your blades out, lock it right back in. I'm gonna say that this one is also very, very child-proof, unless your child's name is Houdini. They won't be able to open this thing up. I got it back on. There you go. Ready to rock and roll, ready to be filled up. There's one more method of razor blade disposal that takes you back to the 1950s. Some of these old homes, you open up the medicine cabinet and there was a slot up in top. And it would say razor blade disposal. Drop it inside the wall. The blade falls down in the void between the studs and the drywall. There's that opening there. You got 3 5/8 studs on each side, 16 inches on centers apart. So you have that much of an opening, about that much of an opening. And the blades fall down right inside there. And, oh, by the way, you know a 2x4 isn't really a 2x4. It's 3 5/8 by 1 5/8, thereabouts. So anyway, I digress, forget that. But you just drop the blade in through the slot, it falls down into the void, and then 30 years later, when they demo your bathroom, they're gonna find a pile of razor blades laying on the ground, on the bottom plate in the corner, just laying there. And they'll be like, where did these come from? Well, that's the medicine cabinet back in the day. That's how they did it. Fine accoutrements. We have this one in stock as well. I'll post a picture up here. You can check it out. They make a porcelain slot that mounts right to the wall. And first you cut the slot into the wall. Then you mount the porcelain slot over it. This porcelain little block right over it. And then you can drop your blades into the wall and they'll fall into the void the same way. Some people are against this for some reason. I don't think it's dangerous because who's going to go and find it? Who's going to get into it? Once they cut open your wall, oh, there's some razor blades. Let's be careful. You have to be, you know, not too bright in order to injure yourself once you see those razor blades. These are a few options. The blade banks, razor blade disposal banks as they're called. Let's see if I can get them up here at the same time. Here we go. Razor blade disposal banks. You can actually make your own from a tin can, from a box, from a carton, from a container, anything safe, from an old pill bottle. You can cut a slot in there. I think I also have a video on that. If I find it, I'll post that up there too. But there's lots of different methods of blade disposal. These are just some that you can purchase, reasonably priced. Yeah, this one's a little more expensive because it is a fashion statement as well. So if you want to pick up any of these, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there. And please do me a favor before I head out. Please smash that subscribe button down there and then click that bell, that icon, click that, ring that. So you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.